Hello again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail here. Welcome back to the channel. And it's no secret, for the longest time, when it comes to a drying towel, the Sucker Jr here has been my favorite. It has treated me well, it has served me well, but today it has been unseated as my top drying towel. And it has been replaced with the Sucker Jr Edgeless. Let's get right into the video. The Sucker Jr Edgeless, 24 by 16, from the luxurymicrofiber.com store, is now on sale for $22. It is a 1400 GSM drying towel. This little guy here is just absolutely crazy. It will dry large SUVs, multiple vehicles, and is the exact same size as the original edged Sucker Jr. It is a dual-sided twisted loop towel. After drying your car, you could just hang it right up to dry, or you can also wash it on the gentle wash setting. This SUV here has been freshly washed, but there's no paint protection on it whatsoever now. It's stripped and it's sheets, so that's even worse. It holds on to even more water to dry off, and we're going to use just one Sucker Jr to dry the entire vehicle here. It is a soft plush towel that will not mar the finish. Use it with a little bit of common sense, very lightly, no pressure. You don't need any pressure whatsoever. Throw it over the hood or the roof or the windows. Pull it across back towards you gently, and it'll pick up the water. It will not let water pool or push water to the side to another portion of the panel. It will just keep drinking it in, and we're going to use this one little Sucker Jr to go around the SUV here and dry everything. And the entire SUV has been dried with the Sucker Jr. I'll come over and wring it out in front of you. It does feel damp, it does feel heavier, but it's not dripping wet. You could actually go do another vehicle this size easily without having to wring it out. We'll bring in that same towel we used to dry the SUV, get it under the microscope, and I'll keep hitting it with water so you can see just how much it takes to saturate that material. And you're going to see, it takes quite a bit. It just keeps drinking it in, absorbing it into the material in the middle of the towel itself, and it can take a lot of moisture. Very impressive. Let's take a closer look while we're doing this at the original Sucker Jr. We'll take a look at the twisted loop itself, and then also the bordered edge. And we'll take that out and we'll put the edgeless in there, and you'll see it's made of the same high quality material, the twisted loop. And we'll go out to the edge, and instead of having that border, we have those same twisted loop fibers at the edge doing their work, soaking up moisture. No scratching or marring of the vehicle unless you're using it improperly. The original Sucker Jr. is 1100 GSM, so keep in mind this is a more plush towel to begin with. And that will bring us to the final thoughts segment of the video. The Sucker Jr. has served me well, but the new Sucker Jr. Edgeless is every bit what the Sucker Jr. was, but thicker, plusher, and edgeless, and is now my favorite drying towel. And I do want to share my experience with one of you lucky guys out there, so I do have a new one here that is still in the package. So the first one that goes down in the comment section and types, "I love Apex Detail and I want the Edgeless Junior," will get it, and I will take care of shipping and get that out to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Love you guys, and I'll catch you all in the next video.